Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a very good hiring opportunity which is coming here from Airport Authority of India. Only BE BTECH, all the stream, mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer, IT, all the streams of BE BTECH and BSc graduate are eligible. 2019 till 2023. That means if your age is 27 in November till you can apply. So basically you can say 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 batches are eligible, 2024 batches not eligible. Friends, percentage criteria, there is no percentage criteria. So it should not, there should not be 60%, 65%, 70%. No. If you have 50%, 40%, anyone will be able to apply. Friends, as you know, there are many companies which are not going to hire, like Infosys announced no hiring, and you are not seeing any hiring by any of the big companies like Wipro, TCS, right? So there is no new hiring basically. So what I would like to say, this is the best opportunity for you. Please utilize this opportunity, prepare well. Salary also is very, very good. So here you will be getting, your package will be 13 lakhs, and there are total you can see here. So the CTC per annum for the post of junior executive would be 13 lakhs. So you can say around 80,000 rupees you will be getting in hand, right? So friend, this is a golden opportunity. Please prepare hard, okay? And see, they are hiring BE BTech and BSc graduates. So definitely, easily you will be able to crack. It is only for you guys, not for like BA, BCom and other graduates. So the competition will be limited, and many other students, even they will not be knowing about this particular hiring. Okay, fine. So I have given you the complete details here. Now I will give you more details. So there are total number of seats are 496. Before that, friends, see, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon, because all this kind of hiring opportunity, we have to search a lot, record the video, edit, and then bring it in front of you. So please do subscribe and share with your friends, so that we bring more and more content for you. And also friends, so in 2023, if you want to start with any course, then Java and Python are the top courses to start in 2023. This technology booming now and will help you to land high paying job in top MNC. Become a professional Java Python developer in just 4 weeks. Micro degree certificate and badge you will be getting. Master 2023 high paying skills. Industry level project, lowest fees ever, verified certificates. You can sign up. The link is in descriptions. You can check it out and go for Java or Python. Grab your slot before the offer expires. Discount applicable only for the next 10 candidates. So hurry up, at least go through this. The link is in description, and then decide later. So if the fees is really lower and this will be useful for you or not. So the link is in description. Now, so friends, more about this recruitment I will tell you. So the first thing is you will be able to apply from 1st of November. Okay. So you will be able to apply from 1st of November. So today is 16th of October. Sorry, 17th of October, right? Okay, today is Tuesday. So you have another 13 days to apply for it. Okay. And in that time, you can get through the syllabus. You can get to know what all documents are required to apply. This particular link I will give you in description. Okay. So now you can click over here, and then you will be landed to this particular page, right? Okay. And here you can download the particular, this what I was showing you, right? So each and everything is there from one link. Anyway, I will give you the complete link here. Fine. Okay. Now, so friends, here you can see the total number of seats are 496. Name of the post, junior executive air traffic controller, right? So friends, what happens? So there will be many flights, right? So which will be there in the sky. And what happens? They might hit each other, right? So there will be traffic control will be there. So they will tell you a particular path on which you have to travel. So every flight has a particular path where they will be able to travel. Also, they will be seeing from other countries, right? So the flight should not come to your areas, and all those things will be keep happening. That is a job of air traffic control. Okay. Now, so now if we'll talk about the eligibility. So if you have done full-time regular bachelor degree of 3 years in science, BSc with physics and mathematics, and full-time regular bachelor degree engineering in any of the discipline, like as I said, civil, mechanical, electrical, EC, any of the the discipline. Okay. Physics and mathematics will be definitely there in first year of your engineering. Okay, that is obvious. Now, so okay, And the candidates shall have minimum proficiency in both. So if you are little bit able to manage English and Hindi, that's all. It's sufficient. Okay, fine. And then if you come down, so maximum 27 years. So if on 30 of November 2023, if you are under 27 years of old, you are eligible to apply. Online date for the online application. So you will be able to apply from 1st of November, and the last date 30 days will be given to you. But you start your preparation, because friends, see, all these hirings will be definite. Definitely they will hire, and here there will be no firing and all. It's a government job, right? Okay. Then, so friends, you will be basically getting, here they have given you a salary, a base pay grade and all those things, but you can see the CTC will be 13 lakhs. So you can say around 80,000 to 90,000 rupees you will be getting in your hand. Now, next video I will make on what will be your syllabus. So basically there will be, and there is no negative marking, friends. So one thing which is very, very good here is, so there will be no negative marking. So objective type online examination will be there, and all those things will be there, aptitude, reasoning, which you are already doing for multiple companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro and all, right? So online objective type online examination will be conducted for the post of junior executive air traffic control. There will not be any negative marking for the wrong answers attempted by the candidate. Okay, syllabus will be uploaded. Anyway, syllabus will be also uploaded soon over here. Okay, but I will make one video based on the previous year examination. Every year this ATC exam will be conducted. Okay, fine. And okay, so then that's all, nothing else is there. Okay, and there is a application fees, friends. Okay, so you will have to pay certain fees to apply for it. So it's not free, because the thing is, they will be definitely conducting the examination, they will be definitely hiring the candidates, and it is only for BE, BTECH and BSc. Then the chances of, right, see, it's all depends upon your effort, how much effort you put. But your examination will be somewhere around December, or you can say like January. So so you will be having enough time to prepare for it. Okay, because you can't take it very lightly, right? The airport authority of India is going to pay you around 80 to 90,000 rupees. Your starting salary will be there. Okay, see, Infosys, TCS, how much they give you. See, I'm not comparing, but I'm just telling you. So if they give you more salary, definitely you'll have to study for at least 2 months, and you will be getting that time also to prepare for it. Okay, but this you can take it seriously, and you can try to attempt it. All the links will be updated in the description itself of this video. And if you want me to prepare syllabus video and what was the cutoff last year, all those details, please let me know in the comment section, so that I will be making a separate video for all of you. Till then, thank you, take care, all the very, very best.